This is pretty much the home screen of the AI application. Very powerful AI tool as it relates to your face photo shoot. As you can see here, you have a lot of different AI based photo shoots which you can use here, and all you have to do is pretty much upload a clear image of your face and you get pretty much any one of these results. So let's say, for example, this one here, ID result, ID photo, and if you do tap on this option here, it will tell you to upload a fully visible face with good lighting for you to get these results. Once you have done that, you pretty much will get these results here, and it will look very clean. And you have other options here you can use. You can scroll and look for what you want, although they don't have much options for you to choose from, but it still can. You have a quite good amount which you can use as it relates to this application here. And if you do scroll up, you can see other as it relates to females and males, but I'm not sure you do get the option to a specific section as it relates to males and females. You just have to scroll and look for what you want. So in the profile option here, this is pretty much where you see everything that's been generated on the application. All your photos will be shown in this section here. So to get your subscription as it relates to this application here, you can tap on the Pro option at the top, and it will pretty much show you their subscription page and everything as it relates to this application here. So as you can see here, you pretty much get more AI templates which you can use, or more AI styles which you can use. So it will be much more better than the ones that they have already given you for free. So that's pretty much it for this application. Do keep in mind, you're going to need a subscription to use this application. And with all that said, guys, you should subscribe my channel. See you in the next one.